Okay, today we discuss about stem machine in Warlock. The, maybe you should know this is the background. This is the background knowledge. Any stem machine in Warlock or system Warlock or VHDL, they on the same. So if you understand about stem machine in Verilog, you also capture catch the stem machine in VHDL and system Verilog. That's the same style. Yeah. And now let's start. We talk about stem machine. So what is stem machine? Yeah, stem machine is a structure help you more and more easy in code. In stem machine, uh, we uh, we try to analyze analyze the problem. We try to make uh, to separate separate the problem, make become the stem machine, make become the small state. As you see in this picture, you can see uh, we have four state. For example, state out, state 1, state 2, and state 3. Yeah, I not here state 3. That's it for state in this state machine, and every state we can see the condition to change state. For example, we just stay out. Yeah, we just stay out. You can see that's that's the condition state. If state is zero value, the state out not change value. You can see the arrow not change value, not forward than any state. If otherwise, if state had value is 1, yeah, here you can see the state must change from state 0 to state 1. Yeah, here. And in state 1 you can see in state 1 you can see it's auto change to state 2 and do not take any condition as state 0. Yeah, so you can see that that's every state can have or not have the condition. For example, the state 0 have condition star, but the state 1 not have condition, and it's change to state 2 very directly. In state 2 you can see on the state 2 here the condition is skip 3. If skip 3 had a value 0, it's change to state 3. Yeah, and the same for state 3. Okay, that is state machine. Okay, that is state machine. It's very easy. Yeah. Let's see the some express sense about the state machine. And now we come to the some value, some example. Yeah, maybe I zoom out this picture. Yeah, you can see here is the state machine. You can see here the other state machine. This name state machine is more state machine. Yeah, more state machine. You can see it's also have the 4 state. Let's say state O, state 1, state 2, and state 3. Yeah, state 3. And it's also have the condition, for example, A, Y. Yeah, just AY. Yeah. And for example, from state O to exchange to state 2. If A had a value 1, the state O to exchange to state 2. Uh, it's the same rules as the previous picture. Yeah. Okay. And now we come to record of this exam. Yeah, you can see let's see the very formal structure of Verilog. Maybe I should zoom out to see directly. You can see the structure module. You can see the structure module, and we have the input and output. Yeah, very common structure. And you can see we have the declared parameter state O, state 1, state 2, and state 3. Yeah, you can see it's same the state machine. Yeah, state O, state 1, state 2, and state 3. Yeah, we just need declare the parameter, so the same. And next step we have to declare we have to display a scale condition. Yeah, you see scale condition. In scale condition, you can see for the case condition, that is state O, state 1, and state 3, state 2, and state 3. Yeah, and you can see the most state variable rate. Yeah, most state be declared. Yeah, as you can see, every state O, 1, 2, and 3 must have more state. That's either condition to exchange to the other state. Yeah, it's very easy. Yeah. Yeah, and that is the summary for today. About the state machine. The state machine help you easy to the code, and it help reduce the error when you code a complicated project. Yeah, and the next step is how to code a state machine. Let's see, you must display a parameter is contained on of state machine. Yeah, and the next step is you use a case condition to display how to when the condition change to another state. Yeah, that's the formal structure of state machine. That's certainly that you can use if yeah, you can use if to replace false case. Yeah, it's the same structure. You can use if condition. Yeah, if condition. it's the same structure, and the cost, the develop cost is still right. Yeah, and today we talk about the steam machine in Verilog, and I think it's also same in the system Verilog and VHDL. Uh, uh, thank for uh, thank for your see this video. Hope you see you again.